Ekireki kijaguzibwa mu rurembo rwa Fort Portal izoba lya nyuma abazyo kandi mu butumwa bwa Purezidenti obushomirwe Minisita w'eby'emishuburo amakorero n'ebigombe by'okwegita General Wilson Mbasumbadi ashabire ebigombe by'okwegita okwebeembeza ehururu y'okurwanisa obworo omu bantu.
The remaining 33% of households that are still trapped in subsistence farming must be mobilized and supported to join the money economy as producers of either a good or service through cooperative groups. The wealth funds such as the Myoga, PDM, etc. are geared towards eliminating spectators in the economy. The war against poverty can be won if all the people of Uganda listen to the advice of the NRM.
Kurgira hari President Museveni ebigombe byine kukoresa obutare oburi mu ihanga nobo buri hagati ya Uganda n'amahanga gandi.
For service, you must mobilize the factors of production, and these are land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship, and knowledge. There is, however, another factor that would render these five irrelevant if it is not present, and this is the market. You must have enough buyers of the good service for the business to succeed.
These cooperatives have a population of approximately 14 million people. Through these programs and others, I urge you cooperators to focus on increasing agricultural production and productivity. Agriculture remains the backbone of our economies and livelihood of millions.
Omukujaguza oku ebigombe by'ahansi ya Uganda Cooperative Alliance bishabire government kutahemishomo okwegyesa ebigombe by'obwegyese omu mashomero.
We only have two cooperative colleges, Chamuka and Tororo, and as cooperators we are saying if these two institutions can be uplifted or upgraded to universities.
Cooperatives and members, so that we can have other similar institutions like Chugumba being the sole training institution in this country, taken at least to every region, so that the cooperative education is rolled out, but also it should become part of our curriculum in the education sector, so that cooperative education becomes a household name.
Omukoro gwishurwaho mukuru w'entebe ya Katano abwa Kabale district.
And therefore we recommend further training, further capacity building to enable us build strong governance structures within our cooperative and cooperatives, and to bring and rally members to support these cooperatives and own them as their own.
Gasha kwa Ndyamusiimanta.